The Liveweight screen is designed to represent the performance of stock throughout the season. Having accurate weights in Farmax is very important for feed budgeting, as stock feed requirements are heavily influenced by weight gains and losses. Start Liveweight can be edited by clicking on the mob, then Properties. Type the start weight into this section here. This is the average live weight for the mob on the first day of your file, which in this case is the 1st of July 18. Then click on the live weight screen. Weight gains or losses can be updated monthly in a few different ways. Firstly, the weight profile can be dragged up or down from each of the monthly points. As this is done, the end of month live weight and the body weight gain table will automatically be updated. The figures displayed in the live weight chart and table will include fleece and conceptus weight if applicable. The body weight gain table does not include weight from fleece or conceptus. Weights can also be updated by typing directly into either the body weight gain or end of month live weight table. Select the appropriate month, then type in the gain. Farmax has built-in biological limits to prevent unrealistically high levels of weight gain or loss. These are determined largely by animal species and breed. To enter an actual live weight measurement for a mob, select New Weigh. Next, add the average mob weight and the date of the weighing. Then tick Auto Calibrate. Auto calibrating the weight measurement will recalculate the monthly body weight gains preceding the actual measurement. Farmax will then update feed requirements for the mob based on your live weight adjustments.